Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert and format an SD card on your Xiaomi Smart C100 camera. So first of all, grab a microSD card like this with 256 gigabytes at most, because this is the maximum storage capacity that this camera can handle. And then insert it into your camera this way. Carefully push it with the tip of your fingernail until it clicks. Okay, and the sound that indicates that the camera sees your SD card. That's exactly right. We have to open Xiaomi Home application after that. And if you haven't set up your camera in Xiaomi Home application yet, we have an entire video on our channel, so don't miss it. Go ahead and check it out. Then you can return back here if you want to, and open Xiaomi Home application. Then press open in the top right corner of this window. And as you can see right now, camera immediately detects SD card and says that it requires formatting. So just press OK to format SD card. Of course, it will remove everything from it, so if you have some personal files on it, first back them up somewhere else and then wait until the camera is formatted. And right now the camera is fully formatted, but generally speaking, if you want to format your SD card at any time, you have to go to storage management, then select SD card tab right here at the top of your screen. Once the page loads, go to SD card status, and then if you want to format your SD card, tap right here, tap OK. This will remove all your files again. Then you just have to wait for, well, a couple of minutes at most until this operation is finished. And after that, your SD card will be formatted. Now all the videos recorded on your camera will be stored on the SD card. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.